guys. By the title you can see Toca added simple dimples. I know you guys have all wanted them in game, the only thing we had was slime and etc. And I know you guys are probably like, I better not be watching this video for it to be clickbait. But no, what I'm saying is 100% fact. Although I don't know if this is in other countries. I live in US, you can still try though even if you're not in US. But anyway, I have been talking for a long time. I'll show you how to get it. Walk, walk. Okay, so go to mail office. Go to where you get gifts. Now, I have already got my gift, but just click the gift button and once you open the gift you should have this little bag. And if you take all the stuff out you should see simple dimple, and if you're in US and you don't get it, maybe see if you have to update Toca. And yes, you can pop it. Cool, right? Anyway, that's it for today. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and turn that notifications bell on.
I was hanging with you and then I realized